Ah! Fire in the inventory! Fire in the inventory! Whew, wish I had some kind of protection suit. Maybe with this. Yikes! I don't like the direction this is taking at all. Ouch! Damn it! That's hot! No way! An extreme chili needs an extreme fertilizer. Maybe with this. Yikes! Is this really necessary? Aww. The seats are covered in tasteless pink leatherette. A puppet is pirouetting in the corner, and on the driver's sign it says, Sugar Puff. Stupid name. Hey, why aren't you working?
Because some joker removed the magnets from the detonation plan, that's why.
Huh, this is a map of the trash tunnels. I'd better ask Hannek how this all works.
Oh, the blast signal. Take cover! Imminent blast!
Shouldn't he be maintaining the sewer system and removing trash landslides? Gah, lazy bum.
Well, that's funny. I found such a thing in the junk just now.
Funny, right. It's not that I've been searching for that for ages or anything.
Why, that would be a real downer, wouldn't it? Those things are all over the place.
I'm not letting anyone cut in. I always line up right at the front. Hello, Hannek.
Oh, hey,
Rufus.
Exactly.
How exactly does that detonation plan of yours work?
Well, that's pretty exciting, actually.
Yeah, I doubt it.
The chief detonator uses magnets to mark the positions of the next 3 planned detonations. Then he rings a bell, and I give a signal to the miner who will on his part prepare the explosives in the mine shaft. And after that, we blow the thing up.
And then you start with the exciting part?
No. That's it, actually.
Yeah, I knew it. What exactly are you guys doing down there?
What do you think? We are trash hunters. We search for useful trash. Most of the time, trash is just junk, and so pretty useless. For instance, I have a whole collection of car keys for cars that have been scrapped ages ago.
Maybe you have my key, too.
I don't know. What was your name again?
Rufus.
Let me think. Rufus. Nope, I don't think I got your key.
Wenzel.
Let me think. Wenzel. Nope, I don't think I got your key.
Tony.
Let me think. Tony. Nope, I don't think I got your key.
Rufus.
Let me think. Rufus. Nope, I don't think I got your key.
Sugar Puff.
Sugar Puff? Maybe I found your key, Sugar Puff, but I need to be sure it really belongs to you. What's your favorite color?
Red.
Nope, that's not right. I don't think I got your key after all, Sugar Puff.
Blue.
Nope, that's not right. I don't think I got your key after all, Sugar Puff.
Mauve.
Nope, that's not right. I don't think I got your key after all, Sugar Puff.
Pink.
Pink, you say? That sounds about right. And, do you have a special hobby?
I am devising plans on how to escape from here.
Nope, that's not right. I don't think I got your key after all, Sugar Puff.
I love listening to music.
Nope, that's not right. I don't think I got your key after all, Sugar Puff.
I read a lot.
Nope, that's not right. I don't think I got your key after all, Sugar Puff.
I love the ballet.
Bullseye! Then this must be your key. This must be your lucky day, Sugar Puff.
Yeah, I'm so happy I could just explode.
Really? I might have a one-time job for you down in the mine.
This is Sugar Puff's key, not mine. Does Polly want a randomly chosen item from my inventory? Yeah, suit yourself. Nice parrot.
Yes, we use it to detect dangerous fumes in the mine shaft.
Oh, what do you do when that happens?
We get a new parrot.
I see. Hello.
Hello. I'm starving. I've eaten nothing but worms for days now.
Ignore him. My wife sometimes talks to herself when she's down there. He must have picked that up from her.
We can't meet anymore. Although my husband is almost deaf, his bird has quite good ears.
Hello again.
Hey, hello, Sugar Puff.
No. Is that your parrot?
Yes, we use it to detect dangerous fumes in the mine shaft.
Oh, what do you do when that happens?
We get a new parrot.
I see. Did you hear about the woman from Elysium?
Yes, but I really don't care. I already have a woman I can send into the mine shaft. It's too narrow in there for two women.
Love must be such a wonderful thing. Talk to you later.
Bye, Sugar Puff.
So you have no problem remembering that name?
Seems like it.
So much power in such a junk heap. What a waste. Oh, I can't remove it. But how do I get access to the power that's harbored within them? I see there's some progress.
Yeah, the other two had to go and check their houses. It seems like the trash hunters have botched another detonation.
What idiots. But the main thing is, the line's shorter. That means maybe I could...
Forget it.
Oh, the blast signal. Take cover! Imminent blast!
What have we here? I would have earned the 1, but I guess the 63 will have to do. Nah, who needs patience when there's a supply of explosives underground? I think it's my turn now.
Wrong! You'll be...
You'll be after the next. It's Wenzel's turn before that.
But Wenzel isn't even here.
That's why it isn't your turn yet!
Oh yeah, that's so typical. I mean, even when he's not around, Wenzel's always holding me back. I've waited long enough. Now it's time to go the whole hog. For which I have plenty of time. I hate lines. Those machines are nothing but junk. I'm always drawing blanks. Nope, this is a sad day for Kuvak, the day of my departure. Just a second. It says Bad Luck Rufus on these balloons. Looks like Tony's in her store. If I go in now, her taunting remarks will shower down on me like a hailstorm. Well, what the heck. Let's get this over with.
Well, 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 look who's back. If it isn't Evel Knievel, the man who defied gravity, the conqueror of the sky, the wind jockey, the traveler on his way to the upper spheres, and yet... here he stands, right in front of me. Who'd have thought?
Believe it or not, this time I really made it. I was on board an Organon cruiser. Its destination, Elysium.
And then the longing for me became too much to bear.
I had to choose a life of eternal bliss, which means far away from you, or saving a beautiful Elysian girl from a horrible death.
Yeah, right. Rufus is doing a selfless deed. I would love to laugh, but my belly's still aching from when you were dragged through the junk.
I'll show you. I'll wake the girl, and she'll take me to Elysium, and then you'll be sorry. You'll all be sorry.